Exclusive new details tonight after two Madison County Justice Court Clerk office employees are fired earlier today. 3 on Your Side's Holly Emery was the only reporter at the supervisors meeting this morning. She joins us now with the latest on that investigation. Holly? Well, Courtney, a supervisor told me today that the two employees that have been terminated are suspected of stealing roughly $3,000 from the county. Now, during today's meeting, supervisors and other county officials spent nearly an hour in executive session discussing personnel matters. We discovered later that it involved the Justice Court Clerk's office, which roughly a month ago was under investigation, and all staff members were to submit to polygraph tests. Supervisor Trey Baxter confirming exclusively to 3 on Your Side that two employees are terminated during the executive session because they were suspected of stealing around $3,000 from the county.
They were terminations that I abstained in voting, not because I was necessarily against the terminations, but because there were employees in the past that had political relationships that, in my opinion, committed far greater mistakes than this. Those cash sums were much greater than this particular one, so I felt like that everybody should be treated equally regardless of their political relationship. So I abstained today. If we're not going to wipe the slate clean with the others, it just seems unfair to me.
Now, what Baxter is referring to is an incident last March when the county comptroller wired more than $2.7 million to scammers posing as Hemp Hill Construction. That employee was not placed on leave or fired for that error. Baxter tells me it's unlikely that the roughly $3,000 will be recovered. However, the Madison County Sheriff's Office is still investigating at this time. Sheriff Randy Tucker added that the investigation is coming to a close and more details will be released within the next several weeks. Holly Emery, 3 on Your Side.